Good morning, students. In chapter number 1, Geography as a subject, the next topic is Geography as an entry-getting discipline. Geography as an entry-getting discipline, या Geography as a entry-getting subject. Geography as a entry-getting is an entry-getting subject. Clear? So what is here in this integrating discipline yeah integrating subject, we studied about all the natural sciences and the social sciences as a all the natural and social sciences in as a equal subject. All these are how the interface from the each other, and we studied about the equal manner. All these in equal manner. Geography is a discipline of synthesis. Geography is a discipline of synthesis. All these are included in the geography. Its approach is holistic in nature. The method of the study. Approach. What is approach here? The method of the study, the system of the study is holistic in nature. In nature, here the holistic. Holistic meaning here the all these are included in this. ठीक है? होलिस्टिक से मतलब क्या होता है ना, यानी समग्र, यानी जिसमें सब कुछ हो ना. तो ज्योग्राफी इट्स अप्रोच, द मेथड ऑफ द या द मेथड ऑफ टीचिंग या मेथड ऑफ स्टडी इज होलिस्टिक इन नेचर. द वर्ल्ड इज अ सिस्टम ऑफ इंटरडिपेंडेंसीज. द वर्ल्ड is a system of interdependencies. All these are related to each other, and found there many relations between each subjects. First subject to the other subject, one subject related to the other subject. So here the world is a system of interdependencies. In the world, here all these are interdependent. The present world is being perceived as a global village. The whole world here the feels see like a global village. Here the restrictions are destroyed by the technology, like here the transportation system, audiovisual aids. All these are remove the restrictions of the people. So the world is see like here global village. Geography as an integrating discipline has interface with natural and the social sciences. Clear? Here the word geography as an integrating discipline as a subject has interface with natural sciences and social sciences. So all these are related to each other. In geography, we study about all the natural sciences and the social sciences and their relationship. When we study the one branch of the natural science or one branch of the social science, then other branch help to the study of the other sciences या other branch. What is it? यानी तब भी क्या करना होता है, study of the natural science या social science, the other branch help to study in the other branch. यानी एक branch दूसरी branch की study में क्या कर रही है ना, help कर रही है. Clear? Geography attempts to comprehend the associates of phenomena as related in sections of the reality. The geography represent here the sections of reality. ठीक है, जब भी ज्योग्राफी स्टडी करते हैं तो यहाँ से क्या आती है, रियलिटी बाहर आती है ना, रियलिटी. तो व्हाट इज द रियल. ठीक है, तो ऑल दीज आर रियलिटी आर डिपेंड ऑन ज्योग्राफी. Geography becomes all these facts knowledgeous. Geography became all these facts knowledgeous for the common man. All these facts related to the reality. The facts are related to the reality, and geography become क्या बनाता है इसे, reality. जो reality है उसको क्या बनाता है, knowledgeous for the all these person. ठीक है. Next here synthesize. Geography is a synthesized study. हमने क्या, geography is a discipline of synthesis. What is here the synthesis? One subject help to the other subject, one branch help to the other subject in the study. Here one example for this, historical events can be interpreted geographically. When we study about the historical events, then we can say that geographical facts also include in this. One branch one branch help to other branch to find out the find out the main find out the main events. Clear? So historical events can be interpreted geographically here. Thus here many branches of the geography related to the other subject, and other subject help to study in the geography's branches. So like here the many natural branches and the social branches. We study about these in brief. What is here the natural sciences एंड द सोशल साइंसेज. देखो आपको ये जो भी वर्क करवाया जा रहा है ना, आपको फेयर नहीं करना है ना, इट इज फॉर नॉलेज. आपको इस लेसन में ओनली क्वेश्चंस देंगे और उस क्वेश्चंस के आपको क्या करना है, आंसर करना है. ठीक है. चैप्टर नंबर 2 से नोट्स देखेंगे और इन दिस चैप्टर. और एक ऐसा भी सोचना है दिस इज अ हार्ड ज्योग्राफी इज हार्ड. थ्योरेटिकल लेसन है, थ्योरेटिकल लेसन को लाइटली आपको क्या करना है, लाइटली लेना है. ठीक है, लाइटली लेना है और ओनली जो आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन यहाँ पे आपको बताई जा रही है मिनिमम ये आपको लर्न करनी है. ठीक है. और क्वेश्चंस आपको दिए जाएंगे वो आपको सोल्व करने हैं. क्लियर. ये जो भी आपको बोर्ड पे लिखाया जा रहा है रिटर्न में है ना, वो आपको नहीं लिखना है. ये केवल क्या है, नॉलेज के लिए है ना. Here are the main natural sciences and the social sciences. Natural sciences, geomorphology, climatology, oceanography, social geography, phytogeography, zoology, maths and astronomy, and maps also include in the natural sciences. In social sciences, economic geography, population geography, political geography, history, social geography, cultural geography, environmental geography. All these are related to the each other. Yeah, all these have interface with each other. ठीक है. Natural sciences, geomorphology. In geomorphology, we study about all these relief. We have the origin of the mountain, plateau, plains, and many other. ठीक है. In climatology we study about the seasons and the zone, temperature. Clear. In oceanography we study about the hydro, that's mean here the oceans. ठीक है. And soil geography we study about all the soil found here the different climatic region. In phytogeography mean here the for plants ना, plants से related ही है ना, कि कौन सा plant कौन से climate में survival कर रहा है. all these are studied in the phytogeography. Zoology are related to the biome. ठीक है. and maths and astronomy also include in the natural sciences. And in social sciences, economic geography, here the all these activities, primary, secondary, tertiary, quaternary and quaternary, all these activities are included in the economic geography. The human depend अब देखना फिर the interface कैसे हो रहा है. economic geography, here the work related primary activities, tertiary activities. Then here the plain region, तो plain region होगा nearby river valley. geomorphology हमने लिया है. river valley region, plain region. तो यहाँ पे इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी क्या होने वाली ना, एग्रीकल्चर. ठीक है. एग्रीकल्चर. क्लियर. देन हियर द माइंस फाउंड इन माउंटेन्स. माउंटेन है यहाँ पे माइंस मिल रही है, तो माइंस मिलेगी तो ये लोग क्या करेंगे ना. ठीक है. देन दे हैव द अदर एक्टिविटीज. माइंस वहाँ पे मिनरल्स मिल रहे हैं, तो मिनरल्स से अदर एक्टिविटीज. जब एग्रीकल्चर लैंड है तो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, प्लेन रीजन है तो एग्रीकल्चर लैंड. ऑल दीज आर हियर द रिलेटेड टू द ईच अदर. ठीक है. क्लाइमेट से रिलेटेड, क्लाइमेट कैसा है ना, वार्म क्लाइमेट है तो वहाँ पे जो क्रॉप होगी वो अलग टाइप की होगी. कोल्ड क्लाइमेट है, क्रॉप का जो होगा डिफरेंट टाइप का होगा ना. टोटली हियर द वन ब्रांच रिलेटेड टू द अदर ब्रांच. population geography. In population geography we study about the population, the favorable condition, dense population region, then unfavorable condition for the living. Here the low population found. Political geography. In political geography we study about all these boundaries of the countries. And here the history. In history also देखा ना, example for here the history. Historical events can be interpreted in the interpreted geographically, है ना. Social geography, cultural geography और the living style, all these are the है ना. जैसे climate, total here the cold climate, the living style here the different, here the hot climate, here the living style is the different. क्लाइमेटोलॉजी से रिलेटेड हो रहा है, एंड एनवायरमेंटल ज्योग्राफी हेड द pollutions, then pollution are the dangers for the human beings and the many type of the here facts are related to the other branches. So finally we can say that all these here the natural sciences and the social sciences has interface with each other, has interface with each other.